Hi everyone, it's Caitlin from the Quinny Sports and Wellness Center. Welcome back to our kitchen. Today we're going to make under the sea graham crackers. So what you're going to need is graham crackers. You want to make sure they're the longer ones. Graham cracker crumbs, icing, fish crackers. You're going to want some sprinkles. So you're going to want the bald sprinkles. So they're going to be your bubbles for your fish. You want your original sprinkles, so they're the ones that are sticks. We're going to make crabs and little seaweed out of them. And then you want your flat circular sprinkle, and they are going to be for the middle of your crab. You also can use some nerds to act like little pebbles at the bottom of our ocean. And of course, you're going to want some food coloring. Okay, so what we're going to do first is take our icing. You're going to want a bowl, and you're going to mix some of this icing to make it our blue ocean. Just take some out. Throw it into the bowl. Grab your blue food coloring. I'm going to start off with one drop. I'm going to mix it around, and I'm going to see how blue it becomes, as I don't want it too dark. Alright, so that color is exactly how I would like it. So it's nice and blue. So again, that's going to act like our ocean. Okay, so what we're going to do with our icing is we're going to take our knife and we're going to put it on the bottom of our graham cracker. So whatever side you want. You're just going to paint it on. Spread it all over. You make it as thick or thin as you want. My graham cracker split in two already, but that's okay, because we're still going to get the effect we want. Alright, so there's my icing. There's my graham cracker. Okay, then what we're going to do is we're going to put some of our graham cracker crumbs onto the bottom of our blue food coloring. So I'm going to need another spoon for that, and a towel to get my hands off. So grab your other spoon, and we're going to sprinkle the graham cracker along the bottom. You need to use your finger. There's our sand on the bottom of our graham cracker. Okay. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take our goldfish. We're going to put it on the right side of the upper part of our graham cracker. Stick it right on the icing. And then you're going to take your little balls, and they are going to be your bubbles that come out of your fish. And I'm going to take some of my nerds. I'm going to put them on the bottom with the icing. Make it look like there's some stones in our icing. And in the bottom of our sea. These always rocks where the little fish like to hide. Alright, so far, this is what we have. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we are going to make our crab and our seaweed. So the sprinkles that I said earlier, you're gonna want green for your seaweed and you're going to want red for your crab. So I'm gonna take my little sprinkle and I'm gonna put it on to the blue icing, press it down, take another one and put it off to the side, and make it into little leaves off the icing. I'm going to make my crab. So wherever you would like your crab to be, take your flat sprinkle and then put it in the middle, and then you're going to put 3 legs on either side of the flat sprinkle. All right, so I'm going to clean off some of this graham cracker crumbs so I can get up nice and close to you guys and you can see what it looks like. All right, so there we go. So this is our seaweed, this is our crab, our fish with the bubbles, and that's our under the sea graham cracker. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you next time. Bye, everyone.